So today we are comparing two of the best privacy tools out there, which is SimpleLogin versus Addy. So to find out which one actually deserves your trust, let's look into the video. So both SimpleLogin and Addy are email alias services. So that means instead of giving websites your real email address, you generate unique alias. So if for example if Netflix gets hacked, your banking alias stays safe. If a shopping site's like starts spamming you, then you simply like disable that alias. That's how it is. So if you look into the pros and cons of these two platforms here, the simple login here it actually has one major advantage, that is it feels polished and beginner friendly. It has clean interface, browser extensions, mobile apps, and super easy alias creations. Another huge benefit is the integration with Proton Mail. So if you already use Proton products, simply login fits naturally into your workflow. But on the downside here, you have they are like the free plan is like limited when compared to the ADI, and also advanced users may find it slightly less flexible to power user configurations. But if you go to ADI.io, so ADI.io is actually built more for privacy enthusiasts and power users. It's lightweight, open source, highly customizable, and gives you more control over alias management. Then the free plan is also very generous as well, and you can create lots of layers, use bandwidth efficiency, and configure rules in detail. On the downside, this array is not as beginner friendly, so then the dashboard might feel a bit more technical. So I would say for beginners, if you want the easiest, cleanest, and most user-friendly experience, simply go with simple login. That's fine. But for privacy nerds and for power users, if you like customization, open source tools, then ID probably is a better choice for you. So for most people, simple login is the better all-rounder pick, but for hardcore privacy enthusiasts, ID might be a smarter choice for you in the long term.